I was walking down the hallway at work, and that's the last thing I remember. I keeled over. They said I had a cardiac arrest. Paramedics arrived, and I was whisked off to Unity Hospital.
It's a phone call at work that you don't ever want to get. His boss came back on the phone and said, they're taking him to Unity. You need to get here as fast as you can. And I said, is he responsive? And he said, no, he's not.
As soon as we were able to make the diagnosis, we treated him quickly and started to put him on the hypothermia protocol, or the cooling protocol, where we cool the body to a certain amount of degrees in the interest of trying to preserve as much brain function as we can.
Dr. Hall explained to me the whole coma piece. That was their plan, and I was fully on board. They said that he could hear us, so we should continue to talk to him and have conversations with him.
When I woke up, I was intubated, so I couldn't talk. The only way I could communicate was writing, and Cindy got a piece of paper and a pencil, and the first thing I wrote was WTF.
WTF.
And everybody thought that was a good sign, you know.
Yeah, we pretty much figured you were in there at that point.
From there, I had a quintuple bypass done.
He had a cardiac arrest at what we call it out in the field, and most people don't survive that. They put their soul in your hands, and it's our responsibility to make sure that we take care of that. So we know that deep down inside, there's somebody who is very scared and needs to be shepherded through maybe the most important thing that ever happened to them.
When you love somebody, you want them to get the best that they can get. We were lucky that we got the best of the best, in my opinion. That continuity of care of the same team of people that happened at Unity, it also happened at RGH.
We had a plan in place, and it came about because of the interpersonal relationship we have amongst all of us here at Rochester Regional, particularly in the cardiac services. It comes down to the people. It always comes down to the people.
I'm feeling really good now. In some ways better than I did before the cardiac arrest. We love to dance because it's an activity we do together.
As he, was going through the rehab and getting stronger, and then able to pick up, his hobbies and the things that he liked to do, made him feel that he was getting better and progressing.
It is always a delight to see a good outcome when you help somebody and they can go back to the life that they had before without any deficits. And for Gordon, I would say I want him to keep dancing because I know he loves that, spending time with his wife, and hopefully he has many, many more years of that.
Things are really going very, very well.
I think what's next for us is to see our children have children and watch them grow. Our daughter just got engaged, so now we have a wedding to look forward to, and so there's exciting stuff on the horizon. And you're going to be here for it, which is the biggest gift of all.
Yeah.